Good morning, Miss. We start stage reformation and we start from homework first from math.
Okay, divide 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. Then I'm going to equal groups. There are 15 candies. Divided into 5 equals. How many candies are in each group? The answer is 3. Estimate what is the best estimate of 49 divided by 5? The answer is C, 9. Number 4, which expression shows this distribution correctly? The answer is A.
Can you explain?
Okay. For number 4, this distributive rule means that you have to break the numbers to multiply it easily. So here is 12 divided, multiplied by 12. So you can break down questions become. So 8 times what pairs can we break down become tens plus 2 and then equals and then 8 times 10 plus 8 times 10, or we can use the other way. For example, like this, um, 8 times 12. So we can break down tens, this 12. We can make this 10 and 2. So that answer becomes 12. So here after that, we make it times 8. Sorry, this is, and then this times 2.
That's
So when times this is, we make it times this is 10 times 8 becomes 80, and then 2 times 8 becomes 16, and that way to add is 80 divided by 16 equals the way of this distribution. The graph has the orange and he puts them equally into place. And how many orange are in place? The answer is 4B. Match the multiplication or division sentence with the correct answer. So this is 2 times 4, the 10 divided by 2 is 5D. 5 times 3 is 15D. 15 divided by 5 is C3. Then 6 times 4 equals 84. Next, part A, part C. Has wants to buy a birthday present. It costs $24. She saves $2 every day. Will she have enough in 8 days? And if not, how much should she save every day to buy a present? Explain your answer. So the first question: will she save enough in 8 days? So to know the answer, we have to divide first. So this is it has to the present is about $24. And after that, if we divide by 8, this uh, becomes 3. So, will she have enough money in it? So this one, this is no. Okay. And then if not, how much should she save money every day to buy this? So it means that she has to save $3 every day to get $24 to buy the business. Then number 2, Lily has 20 apples. He puts the apples into a bowl. Write the different ways to put the apples, and for each way, write the multiplication sentence and multiplication sentence. So the ways to put these apples, the first is we can make it four groups of. Now, this one can be four groups of four apples, and then we can make it four groups of 5 apples. And then for each we write the multiplication sentence and division sentence. So we can make this multiplication sentence become 5 times 4 equals 24. Do you agree with Dina? Explain your answer using the distributive. So, Lina says the total number of the student is 100. Do you agree? Explain your reasons, your answer. So, before we say this disagree on it, we have to know the numbers of the total numbers of the students. There are 20 students and there are 4 classes. So, we have to use the distributive way. So, 24 divided by 4. We can use the distributive way become, so that before become this uh, 20 times 4 equals 80, and then this after that, and then after this 4 times this 4 times 4 equals 16. So after that, we divide this is. So the answer is 96. It means that I disagree with the number because the total numbers of the students should be 96. Number 5. Rina drinks cups of water every day as the drinks were for parties. Explain to different ways to find how many cups of water Rina drinks in total. Okay, the first way we can make a multiplication. So 12 times 5 equals 60, or we can make the other way, the first way, the second way. We can make the distributive load. So we can make like this: 5 times 12 equals. So we can make like 12 here, and this breakdown, when we break down become 12, and 10 and 2. After that, we multiply this by 5, and this we multiply by 5. So 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. This is the, and after that, we combine this 10, added by this becomes.
It is now turn to science.
Science. Fluents of magnets are called poles. See which poles will repel each other. The answer is influence that is north and south. A. That how many poles does every magnet have? This is two. Then number 4. What does attracting? Attracting attracting pull toward each other. And then which are the poles? Which are poles? The two end of magnet is called pole C. And then number 1, the end of magnet are called poles. And then one magnet is called the south poles, and the other magnet, the end of the magnet is called as north pole. North pole magnets can pull or push each other, pull or push each other, like poles or two magnets repel each other. Right. See, a magnet can attract steel nails. Does every part of the magnet attract the more nails stick on to the poles of the magnet? Everyone have this answer is no. Not every part of the magnet attract more nails stick to the poles of the magnet than in the middle. Because the stronger magnets, the stronger is from the poles, from the ends. So the ends or the poles of the magnet will attract the magnet more than the middle. And number 2, what are the poles of the magnet? And what happens when the magnets attract? So the poles of the magnet are north poles and south poles, and and then once the magnet the examples like this. If the poles magnet unlike poles, it means that the poles are different. For example, north and south, they will they will uh, they will attract. And then once this light poles like south and south or north and north, they will repel. And hence the arrow of magnet points away for each other. What does this tell you? So when the example for the magnet points away, it means that the magnets uh, push each other, or we can say push away each other. So it means that when the arrow points in that way, it means that it tells that the magnet will wait. This is will revolve. And then number three, number four, when the arrows
will repel tadi bisa will repel.
if the arrow points toward each other, what will happen? Okay, when the arrow points to each other, it means that the poles are like poles. It means also or not animals. So it means that they will attract each other. And why will magnet not attract all materials like plastic or wood? And if a spoon is not attracted to a magnet, what can we guess about a spoon? So why do magnets not attract all materials like plastic or wood? Yes, because plastic and wood are not magnetic materials. They are not magnetic materials. It means that they are not made of magnetic materials like steels or nickels or cobalts. So if a spoon is not attracted to magnet, what can you guess about the spoon? So this spoon is not made of magnetic material. It's that the spoon made of magnetic materials like plastic. So they are not.
Now we turn to mathematics. Yeah, now we turn to mathematics.
Nama sudut tersebut adalah BF, besar sudut tersebut adalah 130 derajat. Sudut tersebut termasuk sudut tumpul, lalu dua garis jarak selalu sama disebut sejajar. Panjang antara dua titik tertentu disebut jarak. Lalu selanjutnya tentukan sudut di bawah ini. Terdapat sudutnya 45 derajat ini berarti sudut laci. Kalau yang 90 derajat berarti segitiga, 105 itu lalu 180 derajat sebagai sudut lurus, lalu 340 berarti sudut atas. Selanjutnya di sebuah kamar ada jarum jam menunjukkan pukul 4 tepat. Sudut tersebut antara jarum pendek dan jarum panjang dan jelaskan langsung berdasarkan dari sudutnya. Jadi jika di taman menunjukkan jarum jam menunjukkan pukul 4 tepat berarti dia akan membentuk sudut pukul. Sudut pukul berarti ciri-cirinya adalah sudut tersebut membentuk sudut pukul berarti membentuk sudut lebih dari 90 derajat. Selanjutnya nomor 2. Jam dinding menunjukkan pukul 4, sudut terbentuk antara dua jarum jam pendek dan jarum panjang adalah 120 derajat. Sudut tersebut termasuk jenis sudut apa dan dari alasnya. Sudut tersebut adalah jenis sudut tumpul karena sudut tersebut dibentuk sekitar 90 lebih dari 90 derajat. Lalu nomor 3, ini mengukur jarak antara dua garis pada bentuk garis menggunakan garis yang mengukur jarak dari ujung kiri bagian tengah membuat sebuah garis sejajar setiap di mana setiap garis di mana setiap pada saat yang mengukur itu ujung kiri, ujung tengah, ujung kanan itu setiap bagian menunjukkan jarak yang sama. Jadi jika menggunakan jarak ketiga dia mendapatkan jarak yang sama berarti disebut dengan garis sejajar. Nomor 4 ini menggambar dua garis jarak garis kiri 2 cm kanan 2 cm. Apakah kedua garis tersebut sejajar dan mengapa? Dua garis tersebut tidak sejajar karena garis pertama itu garis kiri itu menunjukkan 2 cm dan garis kanan 2 cm di mana dua garis tersebut tidak sama. Kami melihat sebuah sudut di pintu terbuka. Sudut pintu itu lebih besar dari sudut siku-siku dan dari sudut siku-siku dari sudut lurus. Jadi sudut apakah itu jelaskan alasannya dan bagaimana jenis. Jadi yang dilihat Anda tersebut adalah sudut kumpul. Alasannya adalah karena sudut tersebut lebih besar dari sudut siku-siku. Berarti dia lebih dari 90 derajat. Lalu gambarkan contohnya adalah ini adalah contoh sudut kumpul.
Please now try to book science papers. So we learn about properties of magnets.
Yes. I have to. Okay. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Today we have science day. Our topic is about magnets. So first, before we go to magnet, do you ever look at a magnet? Do you ever see a magnet? Or do you ever look at a refrigerator and your mom stick many kinds of things on it? Do you ever imagine that why can they stick on the refrigerators? So if you want to know more about that, this is all of that is because of magnet. So before we answer about magnet, let's try to answer this thinking first. A magnet can attract steel nails. Does every part of the magnet attract the same number of nails? So when you use a magnet, it can stick on something. Do you think that a magnet can attract steel nails? So for answer these questions, we will do experiment after this. So we will do the experiments with these materials like bar magnet and box of magnet. We try to attract them with magnet magnets.
So when you make this experiment,
This is on Tuesdays. Yes, 26.
just explain about how will you make this experiment.
Okay, so I will prepare the bar magnets and box of pepper clips, and after that, I will try to make the bar magnet and this pepper clip close each other. How do this magnet work? When I make these two things close to each other, they will attract each other. So it means that this magnet attract this pepper clip. It means that the pepper clip is called as magnetic materials. So when the magnetic materials goes to the magnet can attract. So to answer this question, and this is really like so after that, I will answer this question. I will ask students to answer this question. Do you know what's the answer of this? And if they have already responded all my this question, so I will give my opinions about this. So does every part of magnet attract the same numbers of nails? The answer is no. Not every part of magnets attract the same number of nails because the magnet has the poles. The end of this magnet we have two poles. The first is we can say the north and the first is node and second is the slope. So the ones that the part that can get or attract magnet or the nails more comes from the slope and the pole. Meanwhile, the middle of the magnet will not attract the magnets.
Okay, yes, thank you. Maybe now we can turn to math. By the way, will the student have a group for this expo? No need.
Bagaimana?
This expo, will the student have a group or you just assign?
No, I just participated from the class how do magnet work when it goes to the materials like this fabric and how it tries to extract this magnet with like plastic, wooden methods like from here, pencil, and pen.
Yes. We turn to math.
Okay, and this part, students move to math. For math, we learn about this divide, insert, multiplication task. Okay, by the way, do you still remember about how to divide and how to multiply the numbers? Yes, of course, you know how to divide and multiply the numbers, and I believe that you have memorized what the time tables. So look at these questions. Before we start to the next page, we have to see this question first. Easy has two plates of 4 oranges and how many oranges does she have altogether? So from this picture, we can count all the number of the reds on the plates. There are 8 oranges. There are oranges on the plate. So write the multiplication sentence to show. So you can write the multiplication sentence like 2 times 4 equals 8. After that, you will answer the second half. Okay, so look at the sleeping cup. Who can answer the sleeping cup? Let's read this question first. Now put a orange equally on 2 plates and write a division sentence to show and what can you say about a division sentence and multiplication sentence? So, do you know what's the answer, everybody? I will come back to answer the question first, and after that, if they got the mistakes, I will fix the answer. Now let's look at 2 oranges equally on the plates. So to make them easy, first I will draw the picture of the first. Okay, I will draw 2 plates. For example, these 2 plates, and I will put 8 oranges equally to the plates. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we got it. This is now we have to write the division. This is the diagrams of the orange when I put it into plates. So write the division sentence to show. So how about the division sentence? We can write the division sentence become 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Or we can make the multiplication sentence it become this is the result. So we can make 4 times 2 equals 8.
Yes. Now we will turn to vocabulary lessons. Okay, we will start from matematika skala besar.
Skala besar adalah angka mengukur besar sudut. Skala besar adalah angka digunakan untuk mengukur sudut biasa menggunakan satuan derajat menggunakan alat yang disebut dengan nama unsur. Contoh
Penggunaan skala besar.
contoh penggunaannya. Contohnya misalnya kita mau mengukur sebuah sudut yang digaris, misalnya ada sebuah garis bentuk L, lalu kita mau mengukur berapa sudutnya, kita menggunakan unsur derajat, kita menggunakan derajat, lalu kita posisikan titik sudut tersebut berada di tengah, yaitu berada di tengah garis sejajar. Lalu kita bisa hitung berapa sudutnya dari kaki sudutnya. Kalau sudut menempel ke angka misalnya 90 berarti bisa sudutnya
Reference.
Reference adalah sudut yang sudutnya lebih besar. Reference adalah sudut yang sudutnya itu paling besar. Dia itu sekitaran 180 derajat sampai 360 derajat. Jadi dia itu paling besar dan satu lingkarannya itu sekitar
Science. Pose.
Poles, two ends, poles two ends of the magnet. So poles are two ends of the magnet can attract. They are poles and they are north and south poles.
Attract.
Attract is attract is uh, attract is pull pull away each other. This is attract means when the light poles like north and south close each other. They will attract
Like north and south.
north and south. This is called as like north and south. This is called as unlike poles.
Grapple.
Repel is when repel is push push away each other. So repel means when the two poles repels. It means that when north, south and south close to each other, so they will repel each other.
Now we turn to math. Double.
No, but this is for previous cities.
Really? So, this
So
is double, triple, and product.
this is for this last week, 2 weeks before. We have a split.
Here's no here's split. There's no. Yeah, it is same as double, triple, and product
I
for.
think it's wrong from the dates. We have split and then groups, number of groups, then three pieces. Monday and the last one. Monday and Tuesday.
Double, triple, product. Yes. Yeah, it is like that here.
It's not double and triple. We have split. We don't talk about double and triple here. I mean, this come from this writing the date is this Cynthia what the wrong date.
Maybe
At downs.
there's no is. Yeah.
Split. Um, February is
Yeah, means I know, but there's no double. It is also double, triple, and product.
is
Define this.
if I split into small parts, so divide means like when you do activities like you have eight candies and you want to divide it to your friends, so you have to divide it into two, so all of your friends will get the same number of candies. And you get the from
Equal.
uh, equals cookies. Equals cookies. Okay, the groups that have the same numbers, so this examples like once we have this orange like this, for example, there are eight orange and we want to put it to two plates. So the numbers of the orange when we put to the plates must be equals in the group, so it should be 1 1.
Estimate.
Estimating like finds the closest possible answer. So it's like when you want to find the result of the for example like 4 times 4, it should be 16. So when we estimate it, it can be like 15. So it is close to 16. So 15 close to 16. Estimate means that it's not the right number or the correct number, but the answer is close to the right number.
Distribute.
Distributive flows is the breakdowns to multiply easily. So this is the activity, this is the way you learn how to multiply easily. So it helps, you have to break the number first and then you multiply so you can get the, helps you to find the answer and learn about multiplication easily.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
So
I think that's all